girl ako ng Ginebra. And finally, it's here! Guys, thank you so much for being here to celebrate with me. Maraming salamat po!
Well-deserved, Sue. Honestly, well-deserved. And I think everybody here feels the same way. And tell you what, we'd like to get to know you a little bit better. Why don't we take a seat over here? Meron namang hinandang mga upuan para sa atin. We're gonna have a little bit of a Q&A.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you a few questions here so that we get to know you a little better. So now that it's official, you're literally wearing the crown.
I know.
Eto na yun.
May ng corona talaga sa
Oh, I think we want to know, and then I'm quite curious myself because we saw all the layouts, one more fierce than the other. Diba? Fearless is the word you use, and really each and every one is, all of those layouts are stunning, but surely you have to have a favorite. Alin pa doon yung paborito mo?
Well, probably because I'm a beach babe. And I always, totoo po, umiinom po ako ng gin sa tabi ng dagat. So, it's probably the beach layouts that I like the most.
Super fun. I have to agree. I love all of the layouts, but then again, I think we'll all have our favorites, and each and every one of your fans there, I'm sure, will have a favorite of their own. Ito ang question ko. How do you feel about being called the new siren of Ginebra San Miguel? Ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng siren to you? Street siren, in fact.
Well, it feels very empowering. More than anything. When they told me yung concept is magiging the siren, natuwa talaga ako because it embodies strength and confidence and also authenticity. Na talaga namang those are the values that I uphold and I've worked for a long time para ma-embrace ko talaga over the years. And I think being a calendar girl is not just about being sexy. It's owning your power, your voice, your story, and being called the siren feels like a badge of honor to me. Na parang, yes, this is me, this is Sue, strong, feminine, and unapologetically me.
Fearless, sabi mo nga, right? Well said, I have to say, absolutely well said. Alright, so we saw it earlier, you were a member of the Ginebra San Miguel family for 6 years as a GSM Blue endorser. I think you embody the spirit, the fun attitude, and we love to see you be part of that family, and that relationship has grown. And here you are, finally crowned and carrying the whole shebang.
Deeper talaga. I really feel like I have a bigger responsibility now. It's not just GSM Blue that I'm bringing. Though sobrang grateful ko, I've worked with GSM Blue since 2018. So imagine it's 2025 now and I'm still part of the Ginebra family. Pero this time, mas malaki na talaga yung responsibility ko. Hindi lang to Ginebra San Miguel na alak. Hindi lang to yun. It's a basketball, di ba? Grabe na. Di masyadong mabigat yung crown, ha? It's not just the brand of alcohol. It's a basketball team. And it's the whole family of Ginebra San Miguel that I'll be finally, bringing to everybody. So I think it's a much, much bigger responsibility for me. So when I found out, of course, give myself a pat on the back. And parang sinabi ko na, wow girl, I made it! I made it!
Never say die!
Never say die!
Never say die!
Tama, i-manifest mo at mapupunta talaga sa'yo. And of course, tinitingnan ko rin po itong chance na to as a big, big blessing to me. After years of having very beautiful calendar girls in the past. Ngayon, it's my time to shine! And, di ba, I'm so privileged and honored and very, very proud naman, as always, to be a part of this family.
Well said again, and I think you're bringing your character, your unique take to the spirit of the calendar girl. Like we said, the calendar itself it's a cultural icon. It's really as Filipino can get. So this is a big responsibility, and we are happy that you are the one embodying the spirit of the calendar girl.
I am most happy.
2026. All right, now, I've got a whole bunch of questions here, and I'm sure our friends from the media, yung mga kaibigan natin dyan, our other partners here, would like to take the opportunity to pick your brain, to ask you 1 or 2 questions. So I can't really see through all the lights here, but does anybody have a question from our media friends? Yes? Yun?
Hi, I'm Nancy from Rolling Stone Philippines. Congratulations on being
Thank you!
as the calendar girl for 2026. So my question is, what was the most memorable part of shooting the calendar girl layout?
Well, everything